Cheers, congratulations, Dr. Manika,
Thank
for
you
the
so
IPO
much.
listing.
Lovely meeting you.
Likewise. So, what does Gaudium mean?
Well, Gaudium is a Latin word which means joy, fulfillment, and happiness. And this is literally what we strive to give to the couples who come to us with the hope of having a baby.
So, in the business of delivering motherhood dreams,
Right.
and it's a very, very emotional thing. So, what's the core USP and the DNA of the company?
Right. So, Gaudium basically is a brand driven organization. We stand for clinical excellence. We worked very hard to achieve clinically high success rates, which are at par with the global best. We are completely SOP driven, so there is no dependency on star doctors or such. And because the SOPs have laid down from the clinical, embryological down to housekeeping, so similar success rates we are able to achieve at all the 7 hubs that we have. So much so that if 58% is our first cycle success rate, each center delivers within 1% of each other. And that keeps the competition healthy amongst them. So we have been completely SOP driven. My journey from a doctor to an entrepreneur was marked by those years of first achieving clinical excellence, then creating and putting down this in a manual in the form of SOPs, and then training our employees. And we have a very good organizational structure, which is like a pyramid. So there's a proper reporting format. We have a national chief clinician, a national chief embryologist, to whom all the respective embryologists and clinicians report. So it is a very structured organization. We are known for success in multiple failed and difficult kind of cases. We get patients from over 30 countries across the world. And so medical tourism is a big opportunity, and the government is also now supporting it. So we are all set and ready because we already have a word of mouth in 30 plus countries. And it is the organization is headed by a leader who's not just a business person but a qualified gynecologist
By herself,
clinician,
yes.
by herself. So it seeps into the DNA of the organization, and hence the patient first policy is known to the guard standing at our gate down to the clinician inside.
Sure, sure. So, can you give us some commercial points, as in how much does it cost overseas and in versus India?
Yeah. So in India, like at Gaudium IVF, a base cycle would cost 2 lakh rupees. Vis-a-vis, if you do that base cycle in US, it's like 17, 18 lakhs.
It's
So you
humongous.
can imagine, it's humongous. And to deliver this excellence level of quality, this much of price is justified. And because we are so uniquely priced and delivering global excellence, that is why it attracts the foreign patients to our land to get treatment done here. And right now, only 2% of the 15 to 20% of the 150 billion that we have
Sure.
are coming forward for treatment. So it is a whole untapped market, and we all know stress is increasing in our lives.
Yes.
Diabetes is, we are the
Lifestyle
diabetic capital.
challenges.
Lifestyle challenges are happening. This is all affecting both the male and the female partner, and so infertility is only gonna rise in the future. Our birth rate as a country has fallen first time below the replacement level, so there is a huge scope for expansion in this segment.
Sure. So, how do you serve your spokes from the hub model?
Yeah, so we have created a very interesting asset light model. So the hub of our Gaudium hub is completely equipped with state of the art equipment, lab, OTs, everything. The spokes are like franchises. So the patient takes the initial 10-12 days of treatment there. And for the main treatment, which is the procedure in the lab and the OT, they come for 2 days to the hub. So that makes it accessible. For example, the hub is in Patna, and there is a patient in Sitamani who wants a global level treatment, can stay in Sitamani for 10-12 days, only come to Patna for 2 days, doesn't have to spend on boarding and lodging, and can avail treatment. It becomes very interesting for us because we don't spend on infrastructure at this spoke, but we increase our penetration deeper into that state.
So, it's a win-win for both. You as
Win-win
well
for
as
the patient, for the spoke, and for us.
Yes. So how do you plan to utilize the IPO funds?
So our major goal is, now that we already have experience of the northeast, west and south of the country, and we are a completely a scalable model, SOP driven assembly line structure. So we plan to open 19 new hubs in the coming 2+ years and equivalent number of spokes around them to be to make the Gaudium treatment accessible to every woman in our country who is trying to have a baby.
Sure. So you are a godmother to around many thousands of kids.
Right.
I think it shows on your face with all the blessings and the
Thank
glow out
you.
there.
Thank you so
So what your final words for the aspiring couples?
So I would say, do not lose hope. Do not think that you've done anything wrong. Society stigma समझती हो ये है नहीं बिल्कुल भी. I mean, it's not that you've done something wrong to incur this. This just happens. It's a medical condition. It's to a large extent, IVF can now make babies possible for most of the couples. So please come forward for treatment at the earliest. The earlier you come, the more babies can
You're
be
the
made.
industry leader, and you have the advantage of being the first in the industry. Wish you good luck for the IPO,
Thank you. Thank you so
and
much.
thanks for shaping all the dreams and the hopes. Pleasure talking
Thank
to you.
you.